how to write down your manifestations in the best way. I have manifested quite a few things over the years. I've gone on business class numerous times. I've been able to manifest trips. I've also manifested moving twice to 2 different locations with different amenities that I've wanted, like a pool, like a dishwasher, like a blackout blinds, and I have manifested getting flowers several times at several different points, very random times. There are so many things. I could be here all day talking to you about how many different things I have actually manifested over the years, but this is not what this video is about. It's about how you can really start manifesting your desires and actually write down your desires and actually manifest them in the right way. So first things first, make sure you start with a brand new journal, notebook, whatever, even if it's just a piece of paper that's separate from everything else. Whatever is feasible for you to actually do is best. And it has to be written, not on your phone, not on your laptop. It has to be written down. So those are 2 main things to think about and prepare for before you even start writing down your manifestations. The second tip is to actually write down all your manifestations in present tense and start them with I am or I have. And when I say present tense, you finish the sentence with now. So I have this now. For example, I have this Apple Watch now. Once you've written all your desires and what you want to manifest down, write as many as you can down, at least up to 25, starting off with. And once you've finished writing all of those 25 desires and manifestations down, then you end it by saying thank you first. And that's because you're thanking God, the universe, or whatever you believe in for the things that are coming to you now. And just to reiterate, when you say now, you're actually saying that you want it now, not tomorrow, not the next day, not in 6 months. You want these things now. So it helps bring in your manifestations even faster by saying this. So you're thanking the universe. You say thank you at the end of your 25 manifestations, and then you say it is done, it is done, it is done. It's to really drill into your brain that you are manifesting these things and that it's happening. Now, sometimes I don't say now. Sometimes when I do this, I say 3 days from now, but those are usually with one-off manifestations that I'm doing or a couple, not the big manifestation of 25. And to be honest, you can vary with the timings of it. If you want something in 6 months from now, if you want something in a year from now, if you want something in a month from now, you can vary with it. But I usually stick to now when I'm doing my manifestations. The third tip is to write down new manifestations every day. You might be like, I can't think of anything new. Find something new, even if it's manifesting something during your day, manifesting what you're gonna eat today, what new clothes you want to wear, or manifesting different events. I know it might be hard, but just try and be as creative as you can coming up with these. Try and do this for 30 days. Try and make it a habit. If you do this every day and you start building up your manifestations over time, each day, it's like the universe, God, or whatever you believe in is saying, oh, I really need to get working on this list because it's getting longer and longer and longer. So we need to start actually checking off these manifestations. And I found that this actually really works. And I even have to get back into doing this because I haven't been doing it recently myself. So it is a really useful tip to do. And you might just be surprised if you try this out, how effective it works. So that is it for this video. If you would like to know more about what I do when it comes to my manifestations and really steps that I take, not just writing, then make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I actually have a blog about the steps I take. So if you are not ready to wait for a video on it, then make sure to check the the blog out. I will leave it links down below. And if you want help from me directly and want to have a one-on-one healing session with me, then make sure to book a session with me today. I will leave a link down below. I'm a theta healer with a background in psychology and counseling skills, and I really help people shift and transform their limiting beliefs and help them heal to actually create the life they want and to actually manifest the desires they want as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to share this with anyone who you think that might get use out of it, and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already to see new videos that I'm coming out with very soon. I will see you in the next one. Remember, you are not alone. Love you lots. Mwah.